Hello and welcome to another update video about Madic. Yeah, we see today that Madic is trying to attack the critical 75 cent level, so the bulls are trying to break above initial resistance. A break above it at least will indicate that we could have bottomed, okay, and we can treat the chart as potentially having bottomed there in the wave 2 correction. Obviously, as you know, Madic's chart is not bearish, okay, it's not broken, nothing broken above this about this chart. But obviously, as I said in the last videos, we broke, obviously, from smallest degree wave 2 corrections into larger degree wave 2 corrections. And there's really only one directly bullish scenario left, which is what I'm tracking right now, which is this wave 2 correction. And we need to see a break above 75 cents for an early indication that we've bottomed. Obviously, we are dealing here with a situation in which the price is trying to form a low, which is why that's typically in the process of a reversal. I typically show the potential, what we need to see to confirm that the price has formed a low or the market has bottomed. And I also still show the potential for one more low because it's not clear at this stage. The market is still moving in corrections, still moving in corrective patterns, and we have certainly not yet formed a reliable low or a confirmed low. Okay, so that's not yet the case. But what do we need to see? So I need to see a 5-wave advance above 75 cents, but there are certain parameters that need to be respected and adhered to for me to say, let's say, believe that we've really bottomed. And I need to see a third wave get to 86.2 cents. Then it needs to form a fourth and a fifth, and the fifth wave ideally reaches 91 cents or more. And that means as long as we only have a 3-wave rally, there is no confirmation for a low. Okay, there's no confirmation for a low. We need the 5 waves. Without the 5 waves, it could literally just be a B-wave rally. 3 waves always leave the door open for corrective rallies. And if it's a corrective rally, I couldn't even say it's really a diagonal because it's a 3rd wave that should happen. Okay, and if it's a 3rd wave, we should see an impulse. Now, okay, this 5-wave move could be a diagonal. It could be the wave 1 of that 3rd wave, because bear in mind that also the 3rd wave that should take us actually to $2 plus, that should be a 5-wave move. So this could be the wave 1 as a smaller 5-wave move. Then we could look at the wave 2 pullback from there, which would be a higher low. Then a third of a 3rd wave, that's surely what most people want to be in. Then a 4th wave and a 5th wave. And I think Madic really needs to hurry now because, the bull run isn't going to last forever. And obviously sort of the bull market projection for me is still sort of around $10, but it's only a projection. It's not a given that we get there. And if Madic wants to fulfill that potential, it really needs to start to get moving really from here. So okay, could get one more low, but maybe the low is in, then it hasn't really revealed itself yet. I think what I can do here from an analysis point of view is to highlight that pay attention to the 75 cent level. From there, the next relevant level is 86.2 cents. That needs to be reached in a 3rd wave in white. If we get there, we can add a support region for wave 4 for a higher low, and then a 5th wave, obviously, to the upside from there. And then we have 5 waves. Then you can say, okay, but we have to wait for confirmation. No, you don't have to wait for confirmation to make a trade. I mean, that's essentially what this area shows here, that we are currently in a support region. Now, bear in mind that even if we form one more low, we might go slightly below that support level, below that 78.6 retracement. That would not necessarily be bearish, not as long as we're holding above the invalidation point. So there's a difference between what support is and what an invalidation point is. The invalidation point is around 49.5 cents. As long as we're holding that, technically speaking, I can see the pullback as a wave 2. Just that in most wave 2 corrections, we would not expect a break below the 78.6 retracement. And then also, once we get 5 waves up, we can add the next support area, because typically once we see 5 waves, a 3-wave corrective pullback is following, which is correcting the next 5 waves. Yeah, that's my update about Madic. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.